Hello everyone, it's Dan here from Thomas Roeder Support. In this video I'm just going to take you through using stack modals for the stack theme for WordPress. Basically this is a little plugin I've created to allow variant users to use the powerful modal system within Stack, but also any Stack users can benefit from it as it allows you to create persistent modals across all pages, as well as modals you can trigger via a link, etc. So to begin with, once you've installed and activated the plugin, you'll see the Stack Modals area in your admin. It works very similar to a post, so we'll go ahead and add a new one. We'll just give this a title. Any old content inside will be fine. And below we can select the modal type, so you can either choose whether it's to be displayed only where you place the shortcode, or whether you want it to display on all pages, so if you're creating a login modal for instance. In this example we're just going to use the shortcode. We can choose a layout. These will all be familiar from the ones found in the theme. We'll choose image top. You can choose to disable or enable the trigger button, so if you did want to create a modal which you open up by your own link or via the menu, you can set this to no. You can choose the button style as well as the label. And we'll just pop in an image as well. And here you can set it whether or not you'd like to have it display after a certain amount of time. You can set the cookie name as well as the class for the div if you want this to appear when a user mouses out of an area. But for now we've got that all set up, so let's hit publish. And here you can see we've now got a shortcode which we can copy into a page, so we'll go ahead and create a fresh page with variant. We're just going to add some one of the random areas to the page. Doesn't really matter for this particular demo. You can actually pop this shortcode into any text area that you wish. So perhaps we will choose that one there. Okay, so in this section we can get rid of this block, and instead we will place our shortcode. So simply enter the text area, paste our shortcode, hit save, and let's save the page and take a look. There you go, you can see we've got a button and there is our modal. Really is as simple as that. So that does mean obviously we've got variant covered. You can pop them anywhere you like. But let's say you want to link it, trigger the modal from one of the menu items, for instance. Well, that's pretty straightforward as well. If we look at our modal that we've created, you'll see here we've got a particular href or link attribute. If you use that for a link or menu item, it will trigger the modal for you. So to set this up, let's go to menus. We are creating a custom link, so let's select that. We'll paste in the URL we were given and add it to the menu. If we save the page and refresh, you can see we've not only got this particular modal here, we've also got one in the menu. See? Now the only thing I would suggest if you are creating a one which is going to link from the menu like a login, etc., then in your modal settings be sure to tell the modal that's what you're doing. So here you can see we've currently got it set to show only where the shortcode is placed. That wouldn't work, for instance, if we were on another page because the modal wouldn't appear. So if we click the menu link, it won't do anything. In that case, we would set this to show on all pages. And that means that the modal's sat there ready and waiting no matter what the page. So if you want to link it from the menu, you can do. It's perfectly fine. And that's it. That's generally the overview of the plugin. I know a few people have been asking for this for some time, so I'm really glad I was able to create it for you. If you do have any problems, if there's any bugs or anything, do come and see me over at support and I'll be more than happy to help. Thanks for watching.